Quick reference video guide for Nissan and Datsun vehicles. The QRV index is divided into 5 broad sections. They are Vehicle Performance Control and Driving Tips, Climate Control, Audio and Electrical Controls, Safety Features, Convenience and Car Care. We will now start our first section on Vehicle Performance Controls and Driving Tips.
You can reduce your fuel consumption simply by changing your driving behavior. When you have parked a car for a long time, the air inside is hot. Roll down the windows to expel all the hot air from the cabin. Switch on the AC and put it on the recirculation mode. Then roll up the windows after reaching the comfort level. Avoid resting your foot on the clutch while driving. This will increase the fuel consumption as engine power is wasted unnecessarily. Also, it causes premature clutch wear. Whenever possible, I park my vehicle in covered parking, as the ambient temperature inside the garage helps me to reduce overconsumption in cold conditions. Also, the temperature in the passenger compartment becomes more comfortable. For you, the easiest improvement is to modify the way you use gears. For best fuel economy, you need to shift to the highest gear as quick as possible. Engage second gear when you reach 20 km per hour. Engage third gear when you reach 35 km per hour. Engage fourth gear when you reach 45 km per hour. And engage fifth gear when you reach 55 km per hour. Wait until the right moment to shift gears. 2300 rpm for petrol engine and 2000 rpm for diesel engine. In select models, Nissan offers gear shift indicator to ease your drive. Check for the symbol in the dashboard showing up or down arrows. If the dashboard shows an up arrow, you need to shift your gear up to achieve best drive and fuel economy. Similarly, if a down arrow is shown, shift your gears down. Look ahead for road conditions, road topology and traffic conditions to modify your driving style. This will avoid pointless acceleration or sudden braking, both of which will lead to overconsumption of fuel. To get the best fuel economy, apply your brakes smoothly and accelerate slowly and steadily. If you have to wait for at least 30 seconds at the traffic signal, accidents or roadwork, turn your engine off. Restarting will only use as much fuel as 4 or 5 seconds of an idling engine. By switching off your engine, you're not wasting any fuel, not polluting or making any noise. Similarly, when you see a toll booth ahead, take your foot off the accelerator pedal and let your vehicle slow down until you reach the barrier. In this way, you can cover up to 500 meters with zero consumption of fuel, being at the same speed as others. Cruising at high speeds on highways will drastically increase your fuel consumption. Driving at 90 km per hour rather than at 120 km per hour gives you fuel economy benefit as high as 20%. If you aren't in a hurry, you can save up to 30% fuel by driving at moderate speeds. An underflated tire uses more fuel and wears off faster. Set to the pressure advised as shown in the driver's side door, preferably every week. While driving downhill, take your foot off the accelerator without shifting gears. This will interrupt fuel injection and save fuel. Going uphill, without trying to accelerate, stay in the same gear even if you gradually lose speed. Avoid carrying unnecessary load in your boot. If you need to load your vehicle, load your boot first and use a roof rack as the final option. This is because keeping luggage on roof increases air drag and causes high fuel consumption. A well-maintained car performs much better and saves fuel. Have your vehicle serviced at the intervals recommended by Nissan. Replacement of engine oil and various filters have a positive impact on fuel economy. If you drive in dusty areas, make sure you change your air filter well before service interval. By following this, your driving will be safer, calmer, and kinder to the environment. Spectacular reduction in fuel consumption can be achieved if we follow the economical driving habits. Remember, avoid all unnecessary accelerations, select appropriate gears, and apply maximum anticipation. All this combines to achieve a smoother drive. This results in an improvement of around 10% of fuel economy. It also helps you to save a maintenance cost of up to 10%, like avoiding wear on brake discs and tires.
Points to remember while filling fuel: switch off the vehicle. Fill fuel in vehicle in switch off condition. After filling the fuel, turn on the ignition. Now check for the updated fuel level in meter display. For smooth gear shift operation, press the clutch pedal fully during shifting of gears. While shifting gears, follow the visual layout of pattern on top of gear shift knob. Release clutch slowly to get your vehicle moving. Simultaneously, press the accelerator pedal for smooth movement of your vehicle. Vehicle may stall if clutch is released suddenly. Sometimes this operation may lead to engine off condition. Excess of acceleration during pressing clutch may lead to wear of clutch parts prematurely. This may lead shippage or smoking of clutch parts. Once your vehicle reaches desired gear, one should remove foot off the clutch pedal. Resting foot on clutch applies more load and it may lead to more wear of clutch, excess pedal vibration, reduced fuel economy. Ensuring proper clutch pedal operations will lead to improved smooth gear shift and avoid gear grinding noise while shifting, gear shifting abnormal noise, and difficult to engage gears. Enhance your driving experience. For a better driving experience, it is very important to follow some periodic maintenance parameters of your car. Tire pressure. Maintaining correct tire pressure is very important. Tire pressure should be maintained to given specification. Incorrect tire pressure may lead to ride comfort issues, bad handling, tire wear, tire overheating, vehicle pull, and bad fuel economy. Specification for tire pressure is displayed in the plug card which is located at the driver's side. Wheel balancing. Wheel balancing should be done at regular service intervals to avoid steering or vehicle vibrations. Insist dealer service to perform wheel balancing at every service period. Wheel alignment. Due to severe driving conditions or change of wheel and tire, there are possibilities of wheel alignment getting disturbed. So it is highly recommended to check the wheel alignment at every service intervals to minimize vehicle pull. Tire rotation. The rotation should be done at every 10,000 kilometers for a better tire life. If tire rotation is not done, abnormal tire wear may occur. If we take care of all above parameters, steering or wheel vibration over potholes and rough roads will be reduced. Likewise, vehicle pull on a taper highway at constant speed will be minimized. Please find a quick recap summary on our first section, Vehicle Performance Controls and Driving Tips. Fuel Economy Tips QRV explains the differences between actual fuel economy and brochure indicated ARAI fuel economy. It also shows how our driving pattern, traffic conditions, and vehicle loading affects fuel economy. It also gives few tips to obtain good fuel economy of our vehicle. The video teaches the right way to record the trip meter readings by tank-to-tank fuel filling method to measure fuel economy of our car correctly and more accurately. Fuel Functions QRV explains proper ways to check right value of fuel readings from meter display at the time of filling fuel in your car. Gear Shift Operation QRV explain proper ways to shift gears and clutch usage during driving to avoid clutch burn, engine stalling issues. Driving Experience QRV explains the need to maintain proper tire pressure, tire rotation, wheel alignment, and balancing to enhance vehicle life. It explains on how this periodic maintenance helps to reduce extra maintenance, service cost on your car. These measures help vehicle to get a good fuel economy, a better ride comfort, and eliminate sideways pull. We will now see our second section, Climate Control. Steps for faster initial cooling in your car. During outdoor parking in hot summer, you may observe that your cabin is very hot. So after you enter the vehicle, switch on the ignition, roll down the windows halfway, select Fresh Air Mode, set blower speed maximum, and turn off the AC. After 2 minutes, roll up the windows and switch on the AC. Select desired temperature, select recirculation mode, set blower speed to third and desired vent position. For Datsun Go, after you enter the vehicle, switch on the ignition, roll down the windows halfway, select Fresh Air Mode, set blower speed maximum and turn off the AC. After 2 minutes, roll up the windows and switch on the AC. Select desired temperature, select recirculation mode, set blower speed to the third and desired vent position. For auto AC vehicles, switch on blower and set maximum fan speed, then select Fresh Air Mode. After 2 minutes, roll up the window and switch on the AC Auto button. Set the temperature as desired. Auto AC logic will make your fan speed reach maximum when cabin is hot and occupant sets lower temperature for faster cooling. Please note, fan speed will reduce once cabin is cooled. Steps to improve rear cooling. After switching on front AC, direct the center vent to rear comfort fan suction side. The cool air from front HVAC will be delivered through the rear comfort fan. A glass with cold water forms mist on the outer surface. Mist forms on the warmer side due to temperature difference. The same phenomenon happens inside your car. To remove internal fog, select Fresh Mode and maximum blower speed. AC switch on. Select desired temperature and select front defogger mode. Press rear defogger button to remove mist from rear door glass. To remove external fog, select Fresh Intake mode and select front defogger mode. Select desired temperature and maximum blower speed. For Datsun Go, select Fresh Mode, AC switch on, and maximum blower speed. Select desired temperature and select front defogger mode. To remove external fog, select fresh mode and maximum blower speed. Select desired temperature and select front defogger mode. For auto AC vehicles, when you observe internal misting during cold weather or during rainy season, switch on AC, set fresh air mode, set temperature to desired position, switch on defogger button, press rear demisting button for rear defogging. Please find a quick recap summary on our second section, Climate Control. Steps for Fast Cooling QRV explains the right ways to effectively cool your car in less time with better efficiency for both auto and manual AC options. Steps to improve rear cooling QRV explains the right ways to effectively cool rear of your car in less time and with better efficiency. Steps to improve defogging misting QRV explains the removal process for both internal or external misting, fog from your car in various climatic conditions for both auto and manual AC options. We will now see our third section on audio and electrical controls. Know your car audio. Switch the vehicle to ignition mode. Press FM, AM or radio button as applicable. Refer owner's manual specific to your vehicle. To change frequency, rotate enter knob. Few Nissan models use seek button to change frequencies. Refer owner's manual specific to your vehicle. For searching FM channel automatically, press seek button for 3 seconds. Repeat this sequence to change next FM channel if required. Follow the similar FM operation sequence for AM channels also. Refer owner's manual specific to your vehicle to know on how to save FM AM channels. To listen songs of your choice, use CD, USB, aux, Bluetooth audio, iPod options. Connect USB port or aux port as shown with your device. Press CD button for CD mode. Few audio systems may use media button instead of CD button. Refer owner's manual specific to your vehicle. Press aux button or media button for selection of your connected device like USB or iPod and other auxiliary device. During Bluetooth pairing with mobiles, BT audio should be selected from options on screen. To pair mobile with Bluetooth, you should first press phone button or enter button in case of Sunny XV model. Then select paired device from the options. Pairing pin is now displayed in the audio. This pin needs to be entered to your connected phone via selecting My Car option from your mobile to establish connection. For hands-free calling, refer owner's manual specific to your vehicle. To experience good stereo quality sound, Nissan recommends bass and treble settings to 0 or middle. Please refer owner's manual for the further details on audio settings for bass and treble. Mobile docking audio system for Datsun Go and Go Plus. Mobile docking audio system is made to hold up to 4-inch sized mobile phones. Any larger sized phone may tend to break the mobile holder due to excessive weight or extra width sizes. In case of mobile holder blocking the AC duct, we recommend you to adjust the holder as shown. Please keep your holder to closed position if no mobile is docked in the holder. This avoids damage to your mobile holder arm. Do not hang object in mobile holder. You can enjoy music on your auxiliary device by using aux cable. Refer owner's manual or quick reference guide for appropriate usage. For hands-free calling, use dealership specified 4-pin aux cable only. This cable ensures disturbance-free calling. USB feature is also available on mobile docking audio system for phone charging. Awareness on few electrical system of your vehicle. Do not insert objects like paper or coin or any foreign material inside the CD slot to avoid any playback issue with your audio. During your car wash or car service, Nissan recommends to use only authorized Nissan service centers. Car servicing at unauthorized service centers may damage your car antenna or other performance of your car. Intelligent key or remote key may not work properly if water enters the key or the key is used with mobile or electronic gadgets nearby. Driving in bad weather like rainy, windy day, through a tunnel, up a hill, or driving near electrical towers may bring few disturbances from audio. This is common behavior for all cars considering interference between signals. Know your Nissan meters well. Meter is basically packed with various driver information features such as tachometer, speedometer, LCD display, and various warning symbols on the cluster. Know your drive or trip computer operation. Odometer is displayed by default when ignition is turned on. It displays the total distance covered by the vehicle. The trip switch of Nissan is a push button which can be pushed to display the following sequence: Trip A, Trip B, current fuel consumption. This displays instantaneous mileage of vehicle based on driving pattern, average fuel consumption, distance to empty. This displays the estimated distance that can be driven with the available fuel in fuel tank. Outside air temperature display. To display outside air temperature, press switch once while in distance to empty mode. How to reset trip? Let's see. Trip A or Trip B displays the total distance covered in individual trips. In trip display mode, push the trip switch for 1 second to reset the trip to 0. How to reset average fuel consumption? Let's see. It displays the average fuel consumption of vehicle since the last reset. In average fuel consumption mode, push trip switch for 1 second to reset as shown. It is recommended to reset the average fuel consumption whenever the tank is refilled. Headlamp leveling. Headlamp leveling adjustment purpose is to maintain proper light focus at required height and to avoid glare to the oncoming traffic. Our vehicles are equipped with headlamp leveling adjustment switch or knob. It helps driver to adjust and maintain headlamp light focus in different loading condition. Switch has few positions, for example 0, 1, 2, 3 depending on Nissan models. To maintain appropriate light focus, keep leveler switch position at 0 when only driver or driver and co-passenger occupies the first row. Keep leveler switch position at 1 when driver and co-passenger occupies first row and 3 passengers occupies at second row. Keep leveler switch position at 2 when driver and co-passenger occupies first row and 3 passengers occupies at second row with up to 73 kilos luggage loaded at the trunk. Keep leveler switch position at 3 when driver occupies first row and 306 kilos luggage loaded at the trunk. Please refer your owner's manual for headlamp leveling adjustments specific to your vehicle. Please find a quick recap summary on our third section, Audio and Electrical Controls. Nissan Audio QRV explains the various audios from different Nissan vehicles. It explains on how to operate FM, AM features, CD, USB, aux, iPod, Bluetooth functions for audio units. Datsun Mobile Docking System QRV explains the available option on a mobile docking system. It shows USB charging function, aux, hands-free calling features. General awareness on electric system for your car QRV. It explains few care points to be taken while using few electronic devices to avoid technical issues with your car system. Meter function on display board QRV explains various driver information features and drive trip computer available on display board. Headlamp leveling QRV explains on how to maintain proper light focus on road by headlamp leveling switch under various loading conditions. We will now see our fourth section on safety features. Safe braking with ABS, anti-lock braking system. ABS prevents locking of the wheels. It ensures that the vehicle remains steerable and stable in high-speed braking or sudden or panic braking condition. In wet road condition, without ABS, vehicle will not be in stable and stopping distance increases. In ABS, vehicle remains in control even in panic braking. During pressing of brake pedal, you may hear a clicking noise and feel a pulsation or vibration in the brake pedal. This tells you that the ABS is working. In ABS system, wheel speed sensor senses the speed of the vehicle and gives signal to ABS to regulate the pressure in braking system, and one can steer to keep the vehicle in control. Your Nissan vehicle may be equipped with speed sensing automatic door lock function. If equipped, all doors will be locked automatically when the vehicle speed reaches 10 km per hour. It differs with a different model. Refer manual for details. To activate or deactivate this feature, place the ignition in on position. Within 20 seconds, press and hold the power door lock switch in lock position for 5 seconds. The hazard indicator light will flash twice if activation is successful. The hazard indication light will flash once if deactivation is successful. Refer owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information. Your Nissan vehicle is equipped with child lock. This safety feature helps prevent rear doors from being opened accidentally, which is especially important when small children are passengers. The levers are on the inner side of each rear door. When in the lock position, the rear door can be opened only from the outside. Refer owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information. Proper ways to operate parking brake. To release parking brake, lift the parking brake slightly up as shown. Then press the button on parking lever. Release the parking brake lever completely. Please avoid wrong usage as shown. To hold your vehicle during parking on a slope, press brake pedal firmly, Apply parking brake. Pull parking brake lever fully as shown. If partially pulled, the vehicle will not be held. To ensure parking brake is not loose while applying, pull parking brake lever completely as mentioned in owner's manual. If parking brake feels loose to operate, check the number of notches applied as shown. If any deviations observed in parking brake operations, approach nearest dealership. Please find a quick recap summary on our fourth section, Safety Features. ABS QRV explains the benefits of this safety feature along with knowledge on basic pulsation effect that may come on brake pedal during activation of ABS function. Auto Door Lock QRV explains the process to activate Auto Door Lock option in your car. Child Lock Function QRV explains the child lock function activation and deactivation method. It also explains that a vehicle can be opened from outside if child lock function is on. Parking brake QRV explains the proper ways to apply parking brake in different scenarios. We will now see our last section on convenience and car care. General tips to increase wiper blade life and windscreen cleaning. Keep wiper arm in uplift position under long parking for both hot and cold condition. To improve wiper blade life performance, hold the wiper arm to lift. Do not hold wiper blade as shown. To clean dirt-prone windscreen, use a clean cloth to wipe the windscreen. Take wet cloth to clean the edges of wiper blade. Put back the wiper arm properly. Operate the wiper with washer spray in wet condition only. Avoid using wiper without water spray. Seat headrest, seat forward and backward adjustment. Seat headrest is provided for comfort and safety. Headrest should be placed in best suitable position for best comfort and to avoid injury during collision. The headrest height can be adjusted by first pulling the headrest up to your desired position. To lower your headrest position, press the release knob and push the headrest down as per your convenience. The front seat have forward and backward adjustment for better riding comfort for persons of different height. The seat movement can be controlled by using the towel bar in the bottom. Towel bar should be pulled from the middle for easy operating effort. Towel bar should not be pulled from the corners. It will increase the effort and will not release the lock. Nissan recommends use of genuine mats. Non-genuine mats and PVC carpets lead to slippage while movement of legs during driving. Slippage causes discomfort and may interfere with our normal clutch and brake operations that may lead to serious safety issues. Avoid placing both genuine and non-genuine mats over PVC carpet as it will cover floor hooks and may lead to slippage and safety concern. Avoid placing non-genuine mats over the floor carpet and genuine mats as non-genuine mats do not have holes and it may lead to slippage and safety concern. Nissan genuine mats have been tailor-made to match best fit for your car. Hooks ensure the mats rest in its place without any movement which may otherwise lead to safety issues. Avoid using clip-type air fresheners. Removal of clip-type air fresheners is often hard. It may lead to damage or breakage of air vents. Gel-based fragrance can be used as substitute to avoid damage to air vents. Steps to avoid moldy and stale smell inside your car. Before parking for a longer period, kindly follow the below points. Switch off AC. Select fresh mode. Set blower speed to maximum. After 2 minutes, switch off blower and park the vehicle. Please find a quick recap summary on our last section, convenience and car care. Wiper blade life and windshield cleaning QRV explains on right ways to clean wiper blade for effective cleaning of windscreen under wet spray. Headrest and seats adjustments QRV explains the right ways to adjust both headrest and seats to avoid inconvenience while driving. Awareness for use of accessories, floor mats and fresheners QRV explain the benefits of using genuine floor mats over non-genuine mats. It also explains few do's and don'ts for your car fresheners. Steps to avoid moldy or stale smell in your car QRV explains the process to avoid moldy or stale smell in your car during outside parking. Thank you for watching this quick reference video. For additional information, please contact nearest dealership.